Yeah. Ooh-wee. That's one thing about this car, it's some good stock. Alright guys, man, the dealership keep hitting me up, want me to sell my 300, guys. I don't know, man. Every time I look at this car, I'm like, man, it's gonna be super hard for me to sell this joint, man. She looking super good right now. I like the way this sun is hitting it right now. I wiped it down the other day, but she looking super clean. So I decided to bring her out. It's time to definitely put those wider tires on here. Alright guys, the Ram is coming back with the HEMI, man. The HEMI is back. Everybody's excited, man. My only thing is this. Why do we gotta pay extra for the HEMI? You gotta pay an extra $1,200 to get the HEMI 2026 Ram. So now they're gonna have the inline 6, the Pentastar V6, and the 5.7 HEMI, but you gotta pay an extra $1,200 to get the HEMI. All these people who were claiming that, oh, they want the HEMI back in the Ram, and you know, Tim Kuniskis is gonna make sure everything is right, you're gonna have to pay. So I want y'all to leave in the comment section, man, do you think it's worth it to pay the extra $1,200 for the 5.7 HEMI and the new Ram? They put new badging on it. Do I think they're gonna have some issues? They're probably gonna have some problems with it initially. If I was in the market to buy one of those, I would lease it first. I would definitely lease it. If you lease the truck, you start having a whole bunch of problems, you could just get the truck back at the end of the lease. But if you finance it, now you're gonna be stuck with it, and you better hope that they're gonna give you a loaner car when you take it to the shop. Now, I know I'm thinking on the negative end of it, but you got to consider all aspects when you purchasing a vehicle. We all know the first year models are always problematic. We already know that. Look at the EV, look at the inline 6 RHO Rams. Probably was a good idea to not change it up with so much. People just want the basics in their cars nowadays. I just don't understand why, if they can come out with the Hellcat Durango, why they can't come out with a TRX Ram. You feel what I'm trying to say? I just don't understand the logic there. I'm pretty sure there's some things that they got to work out, but I would think if you can come out with a Durango Hellcat for 2026, you should be able to come out with a TRX. Now, if they would have came out with a new TRX, that would have been something to really consider. I'm gonna be honest. Another thing that I found out that these trucks are gonna have is a stupid start and stop option. I hate that. I cannot stand that. My wife had that on her BMW, and that was like the worst thing they could have put on these cars. For the interior, I think they did a phenomenal job with the interior of the Ram. I don't think they need to change anything. I don't really like the new badging for the Ram. I mean, it looks a little corny to me, but at least it's something different. Everybody who went out and bought the RHO Rams, will they be trading that in to buy the 5.7 HEMI? I personally don't think so, especially if they're not having problems with the RHO, because you gotta think about it. You pretty much getting the same performance, but you paying less in gas. And if they lease their truck, they're in the perfect position. Best to believe most people do want the HEMI. But there's also people who saying that they're 100% satisfied with the RHO. Dude, this one's 59. This has the Hurricane engine in it. Cloth seats. Pretty basic. Of course, it has the big screen. It's a nice truck, man. It's just a lot of people want V8. 82 for this one. This has the Hurricane motor in it. So this one is, yeah, see, this has the leather seats and everything. Has a panoramic sunroof. They want 82 for it. Yeah. It's a nice truck. It's definitely a nice truck.